What's up, everybody? This is Al the Pal 78 coming at you. I just want to show you the leftovers of the XLookUp that I was doing on the last lookup videos. When I had HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, XLookUp, index match, and so much more. You know, like I said, you can do so much with all these things with X match, next match, whatever it is. But well, here I'm going to try to show you how to do what I didn't know how to do then. I want to say first of all, thank you to Leila. I don't know how to say last name. Ms. Excel, Mr. Excel, Excel Campus, and all those places that help me out. Going from one video to another that puts me to sleep. All the new stuff that's out there. So I would definitely be putting her stuff on here because she really helped me out. Put some of the stuff I'm about to show you. And this is just oh yeah, an F4. Let me do that. Alright, and the F4 button is F4. so so here you go. The F4 key is basically the F4 key. Alright, so let's get it right into it. Right here we're just trying to figure out what bonuses these people deserve. So if you're over 60,000 but under 80,000, you get 10%. Now the first thing I want to do and explain to you is I want to stretch this out over here because I don't want my formula when I'm starting to type it to come over here. If I wanted to click over here because it made it easier, I wanted to highlight over here, but I couldn't because the formula is in the way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So equals XLookUp, right? Now it's over there into the other row. Now I can't click where I want to click. Let's press escape. So let's just make this bigger for now. And then we're gonna press XLookUp. What's that lookup value? Well, we want to know what type of bonus this person gets. This is for your place at work. So this person gets a bonus that we're going to look up in here. Now I want to say press the F4 button to make it the exact, you know, basically lock it in, the exact match. Well, not exact match, the whatever the word is again. And we want to return the percentage of their bonus. So let's F4 that because we're going to drag this down and we don't mind that changing, but we do mind this changing. Now let's press the comma button. We don't care about the if not found right now, but we do care about the match mode. Now the reason we're going to select -1, you could type it in, and the reason we're selecting that, and this is pretty much it, we press enter after this, is because I'll show you why we did that. All right, 10%. That's what the guy gets. Okay, now we get to drag it down or double click that. So first things first, this guy made $93,000. Still, 80,000 or more gets 15%, right? So if we had this formula with the one with the and better, it's gonna say an A because there's nothing bigger than 93,000, you know. So we're going to the -1. So basically, this is saying this person got 59,999. He gets that 8% now. See it? But if they got 60,000, one, it's gonna say, you know, it doesn't matter. So let's Control Z that and go to the original number. That's basically your approximate matching. Now a lot of people would probably do this the hard way. I'm just gonna show you what your pay would be. So first of all, you want to do this times this. This is your bonus amount. I could leave it like that and add an extra field here, so I could just put bonus, you know, total pay after that. But I have pay and bonus, so let's just add it in there. So this is your total pay now. All right. So what we're gonna do with that? That's it. I didn't teach you anything with that. You didn't really need to know that, but I just wanted to add it. That's beautiful looking. That looks amazing. I don't know why anybody doubted me. That's your bonus, and you know, whatever. What I'm going to teach you here, I'm just going to teach you something simple in 2 different ways: the forward, the back, the maybe in the middle. All right. So this is pizza, and that's the only thing that's changed. It's different. Okay. Now I have Capine and Capone here. So if these were both caps, it's not going to give me the next one. So we have to know at least enough to get the person we want. Because an approximate match, a wildcard match is basically you know how to spell some of their names, but not their whole name. And this is what the great thing about that could be, right? Let's first let's do the XLookUp. Let's start there. The one thing we're gonna do with this is we're gonna have an and then we're gonna press that. That is your wild card right here. This is called your wild card because it's saying anything after capo. You could even type capo in there. I don't know. You figure it out. Your lookup array is gonna be here. You press comma. We don't need to make it an direct reflection or whatever. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna highlight that as well because we want that back. Okay. Now, if I press enter now, this is what happens. The Excel is like, what the hell are you looking for? So right here, we're gonna press 2 commas and press 2. What 2 does, it gives you a wildcard character match. So anything after capo, it knows it's gonna match it. Capone. Well, there is something that if you put like a hashtag here or pound, it was supposed to work, but now it's saying reference, it doesn't get it. So I'm like, yeah, I don't know how to fix that. So what I did so I could get both of these to work with the way I'm doing it here is I added G3 as well like that, and then I press enter, and now the XLookUp became a functional fill formula. So another thing you could do with this is basically add this bad boy right here to the front of something. So, and then you have to have the and sign. Oh, that's not it. That's not gonna work, huh? The and sign, and then you press enter. It's not gonna change it because there's nothing in front of the Capone. But what it can do, this is where it's a little bit crazy. So let's just say this guy's name, Chris LA, is Bander, right? Or Badner, or something like that. Let's just make it harder. Banner is B-E-A. Doesn't matter what goes in front of that. And Bander doesn't matter what goes in front of that. All you know is they both have 2 ends. Like that. Or it doesn't really matter. You got one that has you only want one end in this one anyway. So let's just put one end in that way. So here you're gonna put NER. It already changed it to Chris, and NER. I already changed it to Chris because both these guys' first name is Chris. So let's put Dan. Does it change it to Dan? No. Does it change it to Dan here? Yes. You know why? Because I think they both have. This one has double N, and that's Dan, and this one should be Chris. But Chris also might have double R. No. You know what it is? You put double R here, and this here. And nothing's changed. I don't know why that didn't change. Oh, maybe did I type all the same exact letters? No. Let's try a D here. And let's try whatever letters here right before ups. And let's try that. Let's put that F there. There you go. As long as you got the last part of their name right, you're gonna be okay. And I wanted to show you how to use that. Of course, I messed up by putting all the exact same letters the same way. Like if his name wasn't double ND, like it was missing an N here, and you got rid of that N, that would have been a lot easier to show you. But and the same thing goes with like first names. You have 2 Christians, you don't know how to spell Kristen, that will help you out to find the last names, things of that nature. So these are the lookups I want you to see. That was pretty funny, so I'm not gonna redo this video. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great one.